Hi guys! This is Dave and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Most of you may know DJI or Dajiang Innovations for their amazing and high-tech drones. Da means big while Jiang means boundary. It comes from a Chinese phrase
大智无疆,
which translates great ambition has no boundaries. So DJI stands for Great Innovation Without Limits. Did you know that they also manufacture mobile gimbals and stabilizers that can help you shoot smooth and cinematic footage without the need for a larger tripod? For today's video, we will unbox and set up this DJI Osmo Mobile 3 which I got from a Shopee flash sale last March 27 for 3,990 pesos. Since there is still an ongoing community quarantine or lockdown, please wait for the full review which will follow once I am able to use it more outdoors. By the way, this is the third version of DJI's Osmo Mobile lineup for their mobile gimbals which can be used for mobile phones. Is this still worth buying considering it's 2021 already? Let's find out. Compared to the normal DJI Osmo Mobile 3 variant, this combo version comes with Osmo carrying case and Osmo grip tripod. For the unboxing, let's start. Inside the box, you will get the Osmo carrying case, the Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal itself, the Osmo grip tripod, its USB-C charging cable, a wrist strap, a storage pouch, 4 anti-slip pads, and its paperwork. Turn your Bluetooth on. Download DJI Mimo app from Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open its mobile app. Go to Profile, Register, then create your account. After logging in, go to Home, Device, then turn on your DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Accept the pairing request. Now you will see the viewfinder. For the different options, we have hyperlapse, time-lapse, Dynazoom where you may choose between move out and move in, slow motion, video, photo, panorama, and story. For the indicators, we have gimbal battery level, phone battery level, flash settings, and gimbal mode. For manual, you have auto and manual where you may configure your ISO and shutter speed level. We also have resolution and frame rate. Glamour mode for the different filter settings. For the extra gimbal settings, we have video for flash, white balance, grid, and selfie flip. Gimbal for follow mode, sport mode, zoom speed, control stick speed, control stick control direction, invert pan control, invert tilt control, press M button, gimbal auto calibration, and horizontal gimbal adjustment. For general, we have device management, device name, version info, device serial number, and demo mode. For a quick run-through of its features, it eliminates shake from your videos. It has a folded size of 157 by 130 by 46 mm and it weighs 400 grams. It has gestures and selfies, Active Track 3.0 similar to DJI OM4, and hyperlapse. For the shooting modes, we have panorama, time-lapse, and slow motion. It also features a sport mode. And that's it for my unboxing and quick setup of this DJI Osmo Mobile 3. For comments and suggestions for future videos, please leave them all at the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like icon, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified on my next uploads. Thank you and stay safe. Bye!